What's up, guys? It is Sludge Man and Mr. Mark.
You know what?
And today,
Mark, look.
You need that? No. And today we are going to be trying to do a Guinness World Record as how long can we survive in Minecraft. It's going to be lit. Wait, pass.
Back to game.
Wait, we're not in the game. So here we are in the world of Minecraft.
I just started building 2 blocks. No steel house.
I'm an expert. And we're gonna have to get out of this island.
Someday.
Yeah, someday.
Go down.
So we're gonna need a pickaxe now. Wait.
We need get out. Go to that tree. We're just on a little island.
Yeah. So I'm gonna be sorry if some episodes he's not gonna be there.
Today I am. The whole day gonna be with him.
Yeah, except we can't record for the whole day.
1 second. Go.
Go up. Some episode he's not gonna be there. That's unfortunate.
Yeah.
If we die, we lose this.
Go. Go there.
Wait. Get 1 wood. Get the wood.
Stop. I know what to do, Mark. Just leave this.
Okay, now
Stop.
We just need one of them. Plus, I know how to do it.
I'm not stupid.
Looks like I'm gonna do nothing this episode.
Yeah, Mark, just wait.
Okay.
You're the one that's moving.
Okay, put the crafting table down. Okay, now we'll make it. Can I do something at least?
Is it with the wood?
Pass.
We need a stick.
Yeah, pass. I know how to do it.
Oh, okay. Give him.
Wait.
Okay.
Oh, we just need 1 more, so wait.
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay, do it. Okay, get the wood. I need to do something. Let's put 1 more. We have a boat now, so we can leave this island.
But we have to gather all our stuff first.
Yeah, we have to get our stuff first before we leave this island. What
We
else?
need a pickaxe.
Okay, pass.
Okay, give.
So that's it. Let's go down here now. What?
Oh no.
No, don't use your pickaxe for this. Yeah, do your hands for this. Now. Okay, go to the pickaxe. Stop. Just miss
Do it. No. Wow. Now we can get a stone pickaxe.
Yes! So we're gonna need more wood. We can't die, okay?
Well, move. Okay, now that's our stairs. Okay, now stop.
Just broke it. Oh, you're wasting our cobblestone.
Okay.
Yes. We need cobblestone right now.
Stop.
Why don't you have to do everything? Pass. Okay, pass. We're gonna have to kill the sheep.
The sword. Use sword.
So we got food.
I don't have to get armor.
Yeah, except we're gonna need like cows.
Yeah,
Well,
we
we
need
don't-
cows to get. Oh,
You have a stone. Wait! We can make a pickaxe now.
I know.
Put the 2 sticks together, and where should we? This episode is going good, so. Yeah, we got the pickaxe now.
Get this. We need wool we need a bed.
Yeah, but let's don't make our bed here. Let's keep let's.
You wanna go over there? Like, Mark, you wanna like create an island over there?
No. Tip.
I'll break this. Okay, bring it into our house.
Okay. So let's kill sheep now.
Okay.
No, don't use.
Go to go to item. You kill the sheep.
I didn't kill him.
You kill the sheep.
Oh, I see an island.
Okay,
Pass.
you swim. Okay,
No, wait. Here,
go
or
swim. Oh no, squid. Can I swim now?
okay, let's keep our boat there, okay? Let's keep our boat like right here.
Let's see if our boat is good.
Okay, it's still there. So we have more places.
We need to chop this wood off.
Yeah, because we need wood.
Wow.
Or are you using a pickaxe?
We need an axe.
Here.
Getting wood.
We already got wood.
Achievement? What the? We need a pickaxe. Okay.
Okay, put it down. No. Put 2 sticks.
I know what to do. Oh.
Just see. Oh, we don't have.
We could do a.
We have to get a wooden axe. Oh, they say. It's not like that. You're making a pickaxe right now.
Okay, you do it. I think we should do a house.
Not here.
No,
I know.
we could get a fire thing. Okay, stop.
Wait, I need to chop down this wood.
Okay. Now, Mark, go there.
Whoa, what is this?
Another island. Go over there.
Oh, we got hurt.
Oh. It's a big island, Mark. It's a big island.
Oh, I see a horse.
A horse flying on the sky. What the? It's beautiful. Let's see if we bug. Oh, what the
This isn't actually. This isn't. Oh crap! What is happening right now?
Come on, go get.
We need chicken.
Go over there. Go up.
Wait,
No, but do that. The inventory.
that's the inventory. Wait, pass for a second.
No, I want to kill the sheep.
I think they run from us. Okay, he died. Don't kill the horse. Let them be. Cause the horse, you don't need horse. Okay, pass.
Wait. Go up. Go.
Okay,
over
kill
there.
the horse. I don't care.
Why?
Go.
Go!
We got leather.
Yeah.
Except we need more.
Go over there.
There's water. Oh, nice jacuzzi.
Okay. We need like a bucket.
We need iron. Okay, pass. Can I have it?
Get out.
Can I have the mouse for a second?
Why are you eating that?
Because we have no health. Okay.
Let me eat.
Oh, there's more. There's more sheep. This is the best. Chicken. Kill the chicken. How did the chicken not die?
Go! Stupid chicken.
And he's gonna just stand there. No.
Gotcha.
Go kill the sheep now.
Now go over there.
Wait, get this. It's good.
I know, it's like sugar thing.
Yeah.
Can I go there? Now we're gonna make our home here.
No!
Just kidding, go.
Oh, more. We left some sugar. Chop that. Okay.
It's night, Mark. Zombies.
Yeah, so we have to watch. Okay, kill that zombie. Cause you can't die, Nathan. It's your job not to make us die.
Dad, come on, get out.
We almost died, Nathan.
We got leather.
Okay, get away from that skeleton.
Shit, what do we do? Let's go under.
Let's hide here.
Go in this. Go here.
No, why are we in the water? We're gonna drown to death. Pass.
Stop. Go. Go.
I'm going. Don't make the skeleton see us.
Magic.
Who cares about the sheep?
We need to build a home right away.
Not right now. Not right now. Okay, the skeleton didn't see us.
Go, run.
Except we're gonna lose it. Look, pass. I need the mouse. Okay, whatever. Can't run now. Pass.
Oh, zombie. I want to kill it. I just want to kill the zombie.
Pass. Look how much hunger we have. Get more. We need more. Okay, that's enough. We just have one more. Is that creeper? Oh, there's a creeper. Okay, get your sword out. He's coming. We can't die, Nathan. This is zombie.
Go up. Go up.
Wait, don't rage over Minecraft.
Hey, that's not even a creeper.
I thought that. You wanna go back on our boat?
No.
Get wood. Get the wood.
Go up. Up.
Wait,
Big.
Oh, I love this.
Bye-bye. We need that.
Okay, go.
We need a stone.
There's no stone. Wait, go back.
Let's do a house, Mark.
We're right here. We're gonna be in the middle of nowhere and we're not gonna be able to get diamonds. So whatever, do it more.
Go. We're diamonds.
Except you can't get diamonds here. Alright. Turn. There's a spider. Apple. That's nice. We should go back.
We need hunger.
Are you gonna really waste the food? We have barely.
If we would have had thing, a
Oh,
stone.
crap, get your sword out right now.
Oh, he could do that now.
Yeah. That's a new update.
Stupid spider.
Yeah, done.
String.
No! Get away! Wait. Okay.
Turtle, stone. That's the sign of diamonds.
No, it's not. It's for no near
We'll
diamonds.
see.
Let's see if we get diamonds in the beach.
Go down. Go down. Down.
We're gonna end up in the water, I think.
Or not.
There are no torches on us.
So how we should build one?
We'll need coal.
Go in inventory. See all these things we have?
We don't have enough for a house.
Serious? 29.
You want our house to be dirt for the whole series.
Because if it's dirt.
So when you're not there, I'm gonna change it. So.
I don't know. I don't know.
See, this is no.
Go.
This was no spot of diamonds.
We need sand.
Look right there.
The one that's jumping.
The one that has a mouse. Can we switch now?
No.
Why?
Now what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
You have nothing to do. It's night right now. So. Oh, pass, give me the mouse.
What was that?
Pass.
What?
Okay, whatever.
What?
Pass me. No. Okay, whatever.
Go over there. Go
I
over
had
there.
good stuff, so.
No. I don't know what to do.
I had a good thing, but you didn't want it, so.
Okay, stop. Stop moving. Now we need a house.
Yeah, okay, whatever, do what you do. I had a really good thing with cobblestone, but no, you don't want it, so.
Here, do it. Go. Like we're dying of hunger.
I know, but I could do something.
Okay, stop.
Wait! Okay, our health is regenerated, so.
Can you get the inventory?
I got a furnace. Well, don't put it down. We need something if we want to. Should we really go to another island? We can't create anything yet. If we just had 2 more, we could have made boots. Wait, pass.
Wait.
How long have we been recording?
15 minutes. What do we need else? Okay, yeah, we need this.
No, it's gonna make us poisoned or something.
Sugar canes.
What do we need for that?
Oh, apple.
No, don't eat it. Let's save it, okay?
Imagine if it was a golden apple.
Oh yeah, that would be the best. Wait, get
out.
Get the lever back.
Get out of
Oh, get the lever back.
Get the inventory out. Okay.
Oh, it's morning now. Should we go head somewhere else?
Wait. Oh, what should do? We should do.
Except we need coal. You don't have coal right now. No, don't do that. Yeah, use.
Where's some coal?
Wait. Go under. Where was the place you were digging? Right?
Come. Over there.
Go in the grass.
Just follow me.
on the grass. Coal should be here. It's a wrong stone. Coal. It's not here. Go more. Yeah. Now. Yeah, it should be around this place. So why is there dirt? Don't waste our pickaxe on sand.
It's okay, look how many, we can get all this. Okay, now can you move? Oh, there's nothing.
Yeah, here, go here. Any spot for coal yet? No, it's not coal.
I think we have to go more like here.
It's black.
I know.
Black. Any coal here? Hello? No coal. Whenever I play Minecraft, there's usually a lot of coal.
Okay, this could be our house.
Underground.
Go over there. I think it's more down.
Wait. Oh, why is there no coal? That's sad. Oh,
Starving.
we're not starving, not much. Fuck. I told you we should have headed to a new island.
Okay, go. Let's head. Let's head to a new island.
Oh, what's you dirt? Go to inventory.
I need to get all this stuff out. We need to do a escalier.
Yeah, escalier.
Jump. Stop.
Okay, where is it? We go back. Get this crafting table.
Look at our pickaxe.
Okay, now let's head to the boat. Oh, those pigs! Last thing before we leave, we need to kill those pigs. We need food. Wait, why is he making that? Is he going in the water?
Stop, Mark, bouge. Bouge.
I'm moving!
Why can't I kill this stupid pig?
Kill him now!
Stop running away, stupid pig.
Oh, go in the water, please.
Go!
Like he's stuck in the
Kill!
His body's in the...
You didn't even get it!
We did!
No, look what's there, you stupid. Now go to inventory.
We have 59.
What? We didn't even get stuff.
There's squid.
Squid does nothing. Oh, get out. Sheep. Need to find cow.
Cow! A cow! I don't care.
Where?
There's a cow too! We can get our first armor of the series and stop kissing both of you. Yeah,
The fuck up.
did we kill leather? Okay, kill the sheep now.
No. That's some leather mug. Okay. Leather.
Oh, we have enough for boots. No, we need to put their crafting table. No, pass. get this in our inventory, that crafting table. Oh crap, hunger. Eat our apple, eat our apple. Look at our hunger. Eat the apple.
Oh, that gave us luck.
Okay, now.
Inventory.
No, go here.
Inventory.
Okay, whatever.
We have 8.
Don't eat rotten flesh. Don't eat it.
You're like, I swear.
Okay, stop pigs. Okay, now go in this. Okay, now. Oh, I don't think we have enough.
Yeah, we do.
Just need one more for boots.
What'd you need?
Boots.
Where'd you have to put it?
Cause
Where'd you have to put it?
here, one of them. Put that. There. Put one here. Put one across there. See, we don't have enough. We'll put this there. Oh, we have enough.
Where?
This there. Now, put this here. Okay, now
I don't think we should waste it. Oh, pig.
get the sword out.
No. We need a cow.
Except there's no more cow. There's a horse too.
A horse gives us litter. 2 horses. Wait, Mark, we need a craft right away. Inventory. Oh, it's over there.
We'll just kill them first.
No, go. You lost it? Are you serious? Oh, go over there.
What do you want, craft?
We have no wood. Oh, we do.
What did you want, craft?
Oh, steak.
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 A steak.
Yeah.
Whoa, is that?
Okay, stop. I'm gonna do all the work. What did you just do, Mark?
What are you crafting?
A sword.
Know how you craft a sword.
Oh. How?
You're doing the mouse, so I can't do it.
Like that? I do it. Ew.
Let's go kill them now.
It's a good time.
Let's go kill the horse.
We need horse. We need cow.
Cow. So, look at that pink.
Pick animals.
Okay, we got lever.
Please don't fall down.
He's gonna go in the water.
Come on.
Okay, got lever. Now kill this horse. Then kill that sheep.
Go. What?
Yeah. Kill that sheep now. We need it. Got wool. Should we head
Chicken.
Should we head back to our boat? Remember? Oh!
Cold.
We're recording still. That's good. Finally, this episode we get cold.
Yes, this is head.
Head start.
We need all coal.
All of it.
Until our pickaxe break.
We could get iron now.
Well, how?
Iron pickaxe.
How?
Wait, is there any more coal? Let's go down there.
Stop.
Go down there. See if there's any more. Iron! Wait, what's that? Oh no, get the coal. That's coal.
No. Go up. Can't see anything.
I could.
Go up.
You're turning there.
Hey. Okay, now go down.
Look, that's coal. Wait, that's more coal.
Go down.
Ooh, jackpot.
Imagine those diamonds.
Right here at this level, this would be the best.
Can you bend down the thing?
What?
Okay. 'Cause I can't see. Now I can't see.
Iron! That's iron. Get it right now.
No, that's gold.
No, that's,
Go over there.
look, that's iron. Look.
Inventory. There's no iron.
Go there. Iron.
Oh.
Except that doesn't equal anything. We need more of it. Except our pickaxe is gonna break now.
Who cares? We have a wooden.
A wooden pickaxe where?
In our inventory.
Oh yeah. Get
Okay, go over there. Go. Still,
hunger.
Still go.
Hunger. Get hunger. Look at our hunger. Get the food out. Now
Inventory.
get that.
Inventory.
Get that. What was the thing you wanted to make?
How'd you do it?
Fast.
Ow. Just wait.
Yeah.
Go.
We could get armor with this.
We should do a house.
Not here. Let's give it where more marvelous places. Put the iron together. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Okay, that's take out the coal now. Okay, now break the furnace with our that. I'll break. Should we go back? No.
No, we should need that because our pickaxe is almost dead. Look.
Just break it. Just break it.
Can you?
Just. Okay, now. We just have one.
Iron.
What the? Where did our thing go?
Now we have to restart it. Oh my god, stupid creeper. Dumb shit.
Wait, pass.
Mark, I don't want to play anymore.
I'm doing a lot.
I'm telling you, Mark.
34 minutes. Wow.
Mark, end it.
Okay, whatever.